Hello, my name is Jeff Stoffel. I'm a technology solutions professional in our Microsoft TS2 team. Today we're going to be talking about demystifying Azure Backup. When we talk about the different cloud backup approaches, it's important to note that our backup approach is differentiated. So the first scenario we'll walk through is if you're using the cloud as a storage target. So if you're taking this path, you'll notice that you have an on-premise infrastructure that was going to be our backup solution. There's going to be licensing costs associated with a Windows server, as well as licensing costs associated with the backup software. And then, of course, if you need to restore any backups, there's egress costs associated with that as well. Now, if we move the backup software to an IaaS infrastructure in Azure, we have the cloud compute costs of that infrastructure, and again, we have the licensing costs for the Windows Server as well as the backup software. However, with our Azure backup solution, our approach is a little different. So in this case, you're really buying backup as a service. We have a pay-as-you-go model. There's no need to create a backup infrastructure, and there's no additional compute costs associated with it. There's no egress costs for restore. It's 100% self-service, and we do centralized management from the cloud. With Azure Backup in a hybrid use case scenario, what we're going to do is we're going to back up our on-premise infrastructure to the cloud. So this really is meant as a tape replacement. What we're going to do is we're going to leverage a backup vault, an Azure Backup Vault for all of our metadata. We're going to use locally redundant or geographically redundant storage account based on what you choose. Of course, there's a price difference depending on which one. We're going to encrypt the data in flight as well as at rest. Using this solution, we can protect not only Hyper-V images, but VMware, Windows and Linux, as well as Microsoft applications. And we can set retention policies of up to 99 years. In addition, we're able to back up Azure IaaS VMs using Azure Backup as well. As you can see in this scenario, we're able to back up directly from Azure IaaS to the Azure Backup Vault. By leveraging Azure Backup, we can back up our on-premises data to the cloud, as well as protecting our IaaS infrastructure using Azure Backup as well to protect our cloud VMs. That's it for today's session. Thanks for watching.